Hey guys, I'm back and I am going to do something weird. Maybe it's not weird, but it is weird to me. I am going to wax my face. I have never waxed my face before by myself. I know that it's weird to talk about, but everybody has facial hair. Did you know this? Breaking news. It's a real thing. I have been interested in doing something like this on myself for a long time now. So I'm gonna try it. And I don't know why. I just am. I don't know how much battery is going to be left in my camera. I'm really praying that I get through this video with all of the battery available. If not, then I'm gonna have to switch to my phone and I don't wanna do that. So I'm just gonna try and like speed through it. Obviously, the upper lip, it's a problem. It just is, you guys, okay? I know that I'm not the only one out there that experiences this stuff, okay? No shame. So there's stuff that I just kind of want to remove and I want to see if this works. People have said like that you get like these little like waxing like pimples. So there's like pre-wax cleansers out there and like post-wax oils and stuff that like you can avoid the pimples, but I don't have that stuff, so we're just gonna find out, guys. We're just gonna see. I might end up with like a whole bunch of zits on my face tomorrow or tonight, I don't know, and I'm nervous, but I'm not going anywhere tomorrow other than the pool, and I may see a friend or two, and other than that, I don't care. So as long as it doesn't like really do something really bad to my skin, I should be fine. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to wash my face and then we're gonna get started. This isn't a sponsored video. This is just me purchasing this. This was at the drugstore and I just decided to pick it up and try it out. So there's other things that I wanna try, like there's like permanent, like how to permanently remove facial hair, like how to permanently remove hair with like baking soda and like sugar scrubs or like lemon. There's like one with like water and flour and something else. This is definitely not natural. I mean, there's stuff in here. This isn't me promoting all of the good natural products that I really truly love. Essential oils and all kinds of different clean natural products. This isn't one of those videos. This is just me really wanting to just try facial wax strips from Nads. Okay, I'm back and my face is washed and I'm scared and I'm ready and I'm not ready and I'm scared. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm ready and I'm not ready all at the same time. Like, why did I choose to do this? Especially like on video. What was I thinking? And now I can't get into this box. How are you guys doing? Tell me what's going on with you. I am pretty good. About to rip a couple layers of skin off of my face, but other than that, I'm good. Tell me, have you guys done anything like this before? Do you do it normally? Or do you go get it professionally done? Or do you just leave it and not care? Like, what do you guys do? Tell me in the comments below. I would love to know. I'm gonna have to like rip it hard. Like, this is weird. Should I not be doing it on myself? Should I have someone else be doing it for me? This is the question of the year. Ensure skin is clean, dry, and free of oils and moisturizers. Briskly rub strips between palms. Slowly separate double strip into 2 strips. Apply strip with firm pressure and firmly smooth over 3 to 4 times in direction of hair growth with the palm of your hand or your fingers. Remove holding skin taut. Pull strip back quickly, as close and parallel to the skin as possible in the opposite direction of hair growth. And it says do not treat the same area twice. It says remove any excess wax with the post-wax calming oil wipes provided. See, they provided the oil. Great. How many strips? There's 24 strips and it says there are 12 double-sided strips. So to make 24. I've gotten my upper lip waxed before, but I've never done it on myself. And I don't get it often. I got it maybe 6 months ago done at Ulta. It was a great experience, except I got those pimples and it hurt like a mother. Oh my gosh, it hurt so bad. She was like chatting with me and she just yanked it off And I was like, oh my God. I can totally tolerate pain, but like, it was painful. I was like, my eyes were all watery. I might have to use this. Is this gonna get in the way? I don't know. Is that a weird reflection? I'm very scared and I'm really trying to avoid doing this. I really don't know what I was thinking. I was like, I'll make a video. It's no big deal. And now I'm here and I'm like, wait, but wait, what am I doing? Heating it up. Doesn't say how long. Briskly rub strips between palms. Slowly separate double strip into 2 strips. Slowly. Look at that. Look at it. How's the lighting in here, guys? Is it awful? Can you see that at all? Probably not. Oh my gosh, I just got real scared. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Doesn't smell good. I can't even see. I can't see. This thing should be like see-through. It like sort of is, but like more see-through because I can't even see my lip. And the last thing I want to do is wax my lip. Like my actual lip. No. No. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my gosh, this is the dumbest thing I have ever done in my whole entire life. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Wasn't so bad. That wasn't bad, you guys. Weird. I mean, it like was painful, but like, wow. Shoot. Now it's starting to sting, but that's not bad. Can you guys, do you guys want to see? Is that gross to you? You guys want to see this? You want to see my upper lip hair? Is that gross? Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, it's stinging. Okay. Let's try again. I'm feeling a bit more confident, although this is still not gonna feel good. It's now stinging. It took a minute. Like last time, I remember when they did it on me, I was like instantly like, ah. And this time I'm like, that wasn't bad. And now it's like tingling. It's like stinging, tingling. It's like I'm scared all over again. Is it on my lip? I'm scared. No. Okay, I'm good. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Ooh, that one hurt worse. That definitely stung worse. I'm already starting to see the dots. That was cool. Okay, now I'm gonna do my chin. Okay, I have some chin hairs and I also have some like down here like peach fuzz. And I've noticed it a lot lately. I've been doing like more of my makeup and I've been like zooming in real close and I'm like, okay, I think there's some things that need to be taken care of here, so I'm just gonna kind of go for it. Maybe I'll use this on my upper lip immediately because it's stinging and it's red and it's like, ow, save me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I did 5. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna keep it taut. Forgot to do the taut thing with my upper lip. All right, ready? Ooh, okay, that wasn't bad. Let's move on. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, dude, the chin doesn't hurt at all for me, like at all. That's legit right there. Dude, my lips are like on fire. Can you even see it? Do you notice how red it is? And it's bumpy. Like already you can see it's like, it's super irritated. It's like, why? Why are you doing this to me? Seriously, Danielle? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Dude, the chin doesn't hurt at all for me, like at all. I could like do this all day. Okay, ooh, now my upper lip itches. Oh, my battery's dying. Okay guys, my battery's dying and I'm really afraid that it's going to die before I finish all of my stuff, obviously. So what I'm going to do is say goodbye right now. Thank you for watching. This stuff is awesome. I will keep you guys posted if my face looks like a giant watermelon tomorrow or not. But let me know what you guys do in the comments below. Please subscribe, like this video, share it. Come back for more. Let me know if you want me to try another product or what you want to see. Keep me posted. Talk to me. I'm here. I'd love to get to know you. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time. Next Friday. I post a video every Friday. We're gonna do one one for the road. I'll see you guys next week. 1, 2, 3. Wow, my face is red. Oh my gosh. All right, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.